Hello guys, if you want to know does Air Canada have any kind of Wi-Fi facilities, so I'm going to provide you some information related to this. So as you can see on your screen, yes, they have an Wi-Fi in most of the Air Canada flights and all Air Canada rough flights. Okay, also, so they are providing like fast and free Wi-Fi for aeroplane members and sponsored by Bell. You can see the Wi-Fi service is sponsored by Bell, and this service is only available for who are airplane members. Okay, so as you can see over here in most of the flights, like they will also add this you can say Wi-Fi service in long haul international flights also in 2026. Okay, and as you can see over here, they what kind of services you can use in, you can say, like Air Canada Wi-Fi service, like you can use Apple iMessage, Meta's Messenger, and Facebook, WhatsApp, message by Google's chat, like Kakao Talk, Telegram, Tencent, QQ, and Rakuten Viper. Okay, so you can use these kind of services with their Wi-Fi. And you can also see they have like 75k super elite member, and you need to select this kind of, you can say, a membership plan of their Wi-Fi plan, elite Wi-Fi plan. And after getting Wi-Fi elite plan, you can choose, like you can use their Wi-Fi service. Okay, so without choosing this kind of service, like without using this kind of plan, you cannot use their Wi-Fi. Okay, so if this video will helpful for you, please hit a comment, and if you have any kind of knowledge related to this thing, then please make a comment. Your comment will helpful for lots of people, my dear friend. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.